Hi, I'm Ben.
I'm Corey.
And what are we doing today, Corey?
We're going to be ablating some rust off of some old tools.
Fantastic. What tool are we going to use to do that?
We're going to be using an IPG pulse laser with a scanning optic.
Fantastic. Well, let's go see what we can do. I would say that the rust removal with the laser was a big success. I'm really surprised by how well the rust came off some of these old tools, and especially the level of detail that we were able to see. The most surprising to me is the square and the saw. The square went from being rusty and unusable to something you could take out to a job site today. And the saw, just really surprising the level of detail that it exposed in some of these old brass fasteners.